Mango Pandan Dessert Ideas. My specialty recipe. Ripe mangoes, 2-in-1 crema at condensada, all-purpose cream, and flavored jelly powder. Let's start. Gradually sprinkle 1 sachet of unflavored jelly powder. 1/2 cup sugar optional. Mix well. While stirring, gradually add 4 cups of water, not warm or hot. The lesser the water, the firmer the jelly. Stir until dissolved. Turn on the heat. Stir constantly. Wait until it boils. When the bubbles start to come out, turn off the heat. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Slowly pour mixture into prepared mold and let it set. Once it cools, cut the jelly into cubes. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Set aside. Slice the mangoes into small cubes and scrape. Use glass to scrape the mango. All-purpose cream. 2-in-1 crema at condensada. Mix well. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jelly cubes. Cubes, mango. Mix well. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Put jelly on top. Also put mango cube.
Chill for at least an hour before serving.
Enjoy! After a few hours in the fridge, your mango pandan dessert will turn more green. I hope you try out this mango pandan recipe and let me know how it goes. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Dios Mabalos.